Are you tired of the constant itching, scaling, and discomfort of psoriasis? Discover 3 powerful natural remedies that can help you reclaim your skin and your confidence. Psoriasis is more than just a skin condition. It's an autoimmune disorder where your immune system mistakenly attacks healthy skin cells. The term psoriasis originates from the Greek word meaning itchy condition, perfectly describing the frustrating symptoms many experience. This leads to an accelerated skin cell turnover, with cells being replaced every 3 to 5 days instead of the typical 28-30 days. This rapid cell production results in the characteristic red, scaly plaques and white flakes associated with psoriasis. Understanding the root cause, an overactive immune system, is the first step towards effective management and finding lasting relief. At the heart of psoriasis lies a dysfunction within your T cells, a crucial part of your acquired immune system. This imbalance is often triggered by factors like an altered gut microbiome, strep throat, or other infections. Specifically, the T helper cell, Th17, becomes overactive, inducing inflammation and contributing to autoimmune responses. Simultaneously, the T regulatory cells responsible for preventing autoimmune diseases are suppressed. This creates a perfect storm of inflammation and immune dysregulation, leading to psoriasis flare-ups. Vitamin D isn't just a vitamin. It's a hormone that acts similarly to cortisol, a common treatment for psoriasis. It has the remarkable ability to suppress the overactive Th17 cells, helping to calm the inflammatory response. Interestingly, psoriasis symptoms often worsen in the winter months when vitamin D levels are naturally lower. Studies also show a higher incidence of psoriasis in regions further from the equator where sunlight exposure is limited. Furthermore, low vitamin D is linked to depression, a common comorbidity in psoriasis sufferers. Consider a daily dose of 40,000 IU of vitamin D to combat deficiency. Cod liver oil offers a triple threat against psoriasis. It's rich in vitamin D and vitamin A, both beneficial for skin health. More importantly, it provides essential omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA. A deficiency in omega-3s can manifest as dry, scaly, and red skin, classic psoriasis symptoms. Omega-3 fatty acids are also potent anti-inflammatories, helping to soothe irritated skin and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Incorporating cod liver oil into your daily routine can provide significant relief and support overall skin health. Bile salts play a crucial role in optimizing vitamin D's effectiveness. They stimulate the vitamin D receptor, allowing your body to utilize this essential nutrient more efficiently. This is particularly helpful if you have any genetic variations, polymorphisms, that hinder vitamin D absorption. Furthermore, bile salts directly modulate the Th17 cells, helping to regulate the immune dysfunction at the core of psoriasis. They also stimulate the T regulatory cells, which help to quell inflammation and restore balance to the immune system. Consider taking 3 to 4 capsules of TUDCA, tauroursodeoxycholic acid, per day on an empty stomach to maximize its immune-regulating benefits. In addition to these 3 remedies, consider incorporating fasting into your routine. Fasting has shown promise in reducing inflammation and supporting immune system regulation, making it a valuable tool for managing autoimmune conditions. Adopting a completely gluten-free diet is also crucial. Gluten can trigger inflammation and exacerbate autoimmune responses in susceptible individuals. By eliminating gluten from your diet, you can reduce inflammation and potentially alleviate psoriasis symptoms. Psoriasis doesn't have to control your life. By understanding the root causes and implementing these natural remedies, vitamin D, cod liver oil, and bile salts, alongside lifestyle changes like fasting and a gluten-free diet, you can take control of your skin health and find lasting relief. Now it's your turn. Try these remedies and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and strategies to thrive with autoimmune conditions. Take the first step towards clearer, healthier skin today.